think?
Aye. Can I unpack it? Can I try in my car? I'm moving that.
All the way from Lithuania. And I didn't even send any stickers.
Yeah.
This is the story of Will's Wheels retro resurrection. I started dismantling BMWs in 2011 after God showed me it was time to start my own business. In 2015 I asked God what next, and he said restore the BMWs and sell them. And in 2017 I said to God, well, what now? And he said start making some videos. So here goes. Ages and ages and ages ago, I bought a 2007 BMW 325i E92 coupe, and back then they were worth maybe £9,000, and I thought I'll fix this up and sell it and make lots of money, but it got pushed into the corner of the yard and it never got fixed, and the value of them went down and down and down. So finally we decided to do something with it and turn it into a race car. So prior to this episode, prior to any videos being made, we already took the complete running gear out of a BMW E39 V8 manual, and we started to put it all in, and then we found that it mashed up with the subframe, and it turned out that the easiest way was to put the E39 subframe into the E92, and then we found that that very nearly lined up properly, so that was very easy, and now we're just continuing on with that. Do you need another like chip and key? Doesn't matter what
Chip
it is.
and lock, doesn't matter, as long as
Sounds like that.
two, either was two.
Okay, do you need them now or are you okay yet?
Okay, you see what's not done.
Alright, so that one there is for this one. That's 6 or 611. This diagram, that's both sides. And the green one, wasn't it? Alright, this one doesn't have colours on it. Connector and connector for cluster.
What's the name? 7.
Connector to terminal 87, whatever that is, and a fuse. Oh, you got some fancy wire strippers like mine. Here, you don't worry about it. So you need me reading them out to you, do you?
There's none.
Okay, you need me reading them out to you? Number 9 alternator.
Nothing number 8.
Any idea what the connector's called, that black one? Because I could only find out after I found out which connector that was called.
position switch, but it's on off switch, but it's on for 3 different things at the same time.
Will it work for 2?
Yes. Right.
Could you use that? Yes.
That's triple position. Show me back.
Yeah, one.
Show me back.
Yeah.
3 different ones.
But you can only use 2 of them, that's okay. No? Right, you need to decide what goes where and what's being used and what's not. Can't use this as the ignition. Because Vinny said so.
No, it's ignition can go on, but you still need to sort of like a
Need a switch as
like a
well.
bar on still for
Yeah, you basically need like
Another switch. Just to crack out that this was just a switch.
events, okay, yeah, aircon. Okay, we're having aircon or Racecar.
Keep it fancy.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
I'm all right. How are you?
I am very best.
You're hanging out there anyway.
Oh, why?
I was in here. I think I've met you before.
Aye, I recognise you.
Yeah. I have a buddy who has an E93
Uh-huh.
7 Series.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Windy handle on it. Windy. Yes. Right. And he's missing a couple of those winders.
Great.
No.
Chance.
Not a chance.
Not a chance.
Right.
Mission from here. I can put you on the guy.
Is your man in Birmingham in the UK?
No problem. No problem.
Yeah. He's what's his name?
Tim.
Tim.
Right. Back to this interior thing then.
So drew out where I think everything should go, or where I'd put everything.
Right, what do we have? We have,
Water temperature gauge, possibly.
yeah, voltage gauge,
Voltage gauge to that, right?
and then some nice.
We definitely have that. We'd need to
Yeah.
check about a water gauge. Might have to get one, would it? Or do you think it's necessary, or what's the crack? There's one over there, but it's mechanical.
And then what buttons have we got here? So this is
So this is just
the power button.
that's
This
that's the big paddle thing that turns the big red. This
Yep.
one.
The cut off.
Yes, that's the cutoff.
Yep, you got a cut off, and then the next one would be
Second
Aye.
stage of the ignition,
yep, and then the start button.
and then push button start.
Aye.
I
No,
couldn't-
that's cool because then the
couldn't
problem
write.
there, obviously, yeah.
1, 2, 3 in
Yeah,
order.
and then obviously if you pull that, then the other one, that one stops working.
Yes.
What about
They don't need a fuel
Right.
pump
What
one
about
because the fuel pump's going
what
to
about
prime
the
in this one.
voltage do now? Everything in those because it's running, and like you said, you'll be wiring lights and everything yourself later.
Yeah,
And just leave that for very last.
yeah, I can wire that all in myself.
Because if I'll drill everything, those holes and everything, and you adding extra switches, it'll be a mess.
I don't you worry about drilling that. Then you just wire all of these in
Yeah.
and leave
Yeah.
them with like a foot of wire, and then we can play.
Doesn't
with
even
that
matter because I
ourselves.
can extend them as long because I won't be changing any wires. If you have them all wired, whatever way, I
hanging
can
here.
then I can put the plugs in and extend the wires out the suit.
Right.
So-
The only thing is these look like they came off like a Spitfire or something. Like what do you have them for? Like what does that even plug into?
Maybe they come off a Spitfire. You never know. They might have off a cooker or something.
Ancient.
I don't know. They're in a box of switches. What do you want?
Lucas, England. Made in England, they're pretty alright.
They're Lucas switches.
Ah.
They probably are off a Spitfire, but not the one you're thinking of. Okay, well we can replace those with like wee toggle switches like the mini ones because we do want our electric windows still, don't we? Because
Yes.
we're sods, we're saps, or we're
We're
softies.
Because we're doing this right, that's
Uh-huh.
why.
Luxury race car, but
How many of these
so
do you need? You need-
middle lights. What do we need? Lights.
Here, hold on. Get Vinny's crayon and write down.
It's chalk.
Well, for these window switches, I'll replace them because only found those other switches, but we'll probably cut
You
out.
can use anything, it doesn't
We'll
even
cut
matter.
out for E39 ones.
Yeah, we'll
I'll
not
use
cut anything at the
E39 rear
minute.
door ones or something like that.
There you
so-
go, right. What do we need? Need one for lights.
Okay, so can you wire the tack in up there?
Mm-hmm.
And voltage meter. We need a digital fuel gauge,
For
not water temperature gauge.
oh yeah, ball. Whatever.
Big Bang.
Kan vi kicka bort här? Okej.
Yep.
Cool, Will. Co?
Beremy Wecy stoje i BM-ki.
Take a look. That's our future positives.
Okay.
There's your future negatives.
And they're just, so these are just positives, just extras?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
That's check a cam key.
No?
Ignition switch.
Uh-huh.
Voltage works, everything. Fuel pump.
Everybody, gather round! Gather round, come here! Come here. Come here and play one. Lodge 2!
All of us.
Yes, all of you!
Patrick, Vinny, Lodge 2.
Vinny! Come here and
Lodge 2, Vincent.
Oh, it's the Garrison. I mean, hey.
give us a wee spin. It's the first of our new jackets, what do you think?
Nice.
Let me get that bigger and then get another line underneath there and then get everything else kind of on the front. But,
You don't have to something like that.
right, go back to work.
Bye.
Or go back to whatever you were doing anyway, because somebody's weren't working that hard.
Sounds good.
Here, we'll go.
Huh?
We'll go.
That's a bit of more. That's pretty good.
Ale się nie zbliżamy, okej? Dobre. Dobre. On ci doda robi. Weź! On ci rano dupę najebał, nie? Tam litery.
Dawać wodę? No. Dawać tak?
Well done, yeah, much of it.
Well,
are they struck for that? One doesn't work, if you want to scan for parts, just okay, sure.
You can tell by his body language that this isn't going to be good news, but Vinny's leaving. He doesn't want to go, and nobody wants him to leave, but he's been headhunted again. People in different industries have chased Vinny for a long time, and he has always said no. But when a company that supplies the aviation industry came knocking, offering bonuses and all the rest of it, well, it was hard to pass up. In fact, we told him he should take it. He should take the opportunity. Not that we want him to leave. It's been hard on him, and we looked at every possible way that we could make it work. The opportunity that he's being offered is just too huge. So we're losing our genius.